Hi everybody, this is Bharat, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So today our students are going to present DT-based video on industrial machine learning with few case studies and examples. Come, let's see the video. Thank you.
Can you explain about the unsupervised learning?
Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithms are trained on unlabeled data, meaning of no target variable and response variables. The goal of the unsupervised learning is discover the pattern, relationships, grouping with the data. Some application in unsupervised learning clusters, the group similar data points into cluster and dimensionality reduction, reducing the number of features in the data while preserving the important information. Anomalic detection.
Thank you, sir, for explanation. Also, can you explain about the algorithm?
There are some popular unsupervised learning algorithms like k-means clustering, so widely used cluster algorithm for the preparations of data and k clustering based on their similarities. And next, hierarchy clustering. A clustering algorithm will be a hierarchy of two clusters, merging and splitting existing clusters. Then, principal component. Then PCA, principal component analysis, a dimensional detection algorithm that can transform data into a linked coordinate system, retaining the most important features. And a T-distribution statistic label embedding, a dimensional reduction algorithm that maps high dimensional data to lower dimensional spaces and preventing local mismatches. Then comes DB scan, which is a density-based spectacle clustering of applications and economics. A clustering algorithm that groups data points into clustering based on this. Then comes k-measures. It's like a clustering algorithm that practices the data into k clusters based on their similarities and uses mediators, objects that are represented in the form of clusters to instead of centroids. Then GMM is a Gaussian mixture model, a clustering algorithm that models the data mixture of Gaussian distribution and representing each as clusters. These are a few examples of cluster algorithm.
Okay, I have understood the unsupervised learning. Can you explain about its application?
Okay, Lukas. So after knowing about what is unsupervised learning and algorithm, we need to search for its application. We can take a case study on where it's already been implemented. So in Amazon, so we can see about an already implemented an algorithm of unsupervised, in which Amazon uses a certain algorithm, which is an implementation of unsupervised learning. So in that, they use the algorithm for machine learning for categorizing a certain customers. So let's say there are three types of customers. One is frequent buyers, where they are buy Amazon customers. There are three categories of customers. One is the frequent buyers, and another one is an occasional shoppers, where there is they will buy for festival seasons, and another is a bargain customers, where there is yearly customers like that. And so based on this, with these customers, we will clustering out and graphing out what we needed. So Amazon uses the algorithm of k-means clustering. What it does is that it takes of three data. One is a purchase history, and another is browsing history and spending patterns. With these three data, we can able to categorize the three categories of customers that are already there. So with this purchase history, we can able to see how much the persons have purchased the item for a specific period. And browsing behavior is that what their recommendations, what we need to provide as a recommendation for them based on their taste. And as a spending pattern, it is amount they spend on a certain item. And for different item, whether they referred or not, it changes based on the customer. So in order to view that, we need to know about spending pattern. So as I said earlier, that there will be three data based on three categories will be providing. Let's say for frequent buyers, we will be providing taking it as a high value customers because of them only the Amazon study. something like that. So we will be more focusing on providing more recommendation based on their taste for the customer. So in order to do that, there will be a certain pattern for each customers. So what machine learning will be doing that based on the ID. You know that based on the login ID, each customer will be vary. So what we will be doing is that the three categories. I have already said that in that three categories, the frequent buyers are the most focused customers. So the algorithm will be machine learning as an unsupervised machine learning. What it will do is that based on it will be as a learning process, we will be creating some patterns based on the customer. So what their purchase needs, what they are becoming buying, and their recommendation based on that will be providing more discount of not discount opportunities because of spending they will be doing. So what this supervised machine learning experience will be such that relation will be such that uh, what is that the recommendation will be varied based on their needs. For higher value customers, we will be providing more unique items because their QX will be increased and edited like that. So that relation will be learned by this unsupervised training. And for the case of second category, where the occasional shoppers, where they will be focusing on the festival season, what they will be buying is that, let's say for Diwali, they will be buying some.
Start.
So what they will be buying is some dresses for festivals or some electronics, new electronic they will be buying for any festivals that will be Diwali. So as for them, we will be providing more usable items, like not unique items, more usable items with comparative value and less discounted values. So as for the third category, where bargain hunters, as in case of bargain hunters, what we will be providing is that we will be sending out the discount values. So the more discount value, the more attracted they will be. So we will be recommending those discounted value items. So for these categories, we can notice that three different algorithms may be used, but it is used one single algorithm, which is the naming algorithm, clusters algorithm. This is a part of an unsupervised learning. In this algorithm, what the algorithm will be learning the relationship between the user's need and user. So for each user, there will be certain different needs they will be met. So based on the data like purchase history, browsing history, and spending patterns, we can able to detect what their recommendation items we need to provide. So with this KNX learning, which is an unsupervised learning, we can able to achieve it.
Start. Thank you for giving me valuable information.
Thank you.